birthday and today is our lunch. Pinaka-lunch lang niya sa aming work. So, wala kaming Christmas party. Ayan lang guys. Yan ang amin. Thankful na kami kahit ganyan lang kaysa sa wala, di ba? Ayan guys. Ni-reserve na namin yan. We reserve it. Konti lang naman kami, hindi naman lahat. So, yan ang aking mga kasama. Mamaya, kami ang nauna. And, ayan guys. Yung order ko ay... Ito guys, order ko. Nasaan na ba yun? There, the combos. Ribs. The ribs and chicken. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Nandito kami. Yan ang aming. Kami-kami lang guys. Yan lang order ko. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! You gonna be in my YouTube, my
You know the
boss.
Poppy Act.
Hmm?
You know the Poppy Act. Thank you. You don't know the Poppy Act.
No, I don't know. I'm done with my... I forgot to take a picture. Look at that. And to my colleagues, is that one? Oh, wait, there's a cherry. That's our food. Our dessert. Guys, ito. Dahil holiday, may time gumala-gala. Kaya yan, gagala kami. Pamangkin kong pogi.
It's not gonna charge you 20. Take this one? Oh, yeah, man.
Tollgate. Punta kami dyan.
How much is it? 5 rand? 10 rand. Yo. Yeah. Wait.
Maybe he's going.
Wait, ma. Die.
Baka ikaw Professor Miken eh. Baka ikaw Professor Miken eh ma.
You were about to hit another car.
Ano sabi ni Mama?
About to hit another car.
10 yung tayo ka ano?
Sampa. Nalimutan ko na.
10 yung ano? 10 yung.
Sampiling yung ano? I don't know.
Piemon, we must go and look for my code.
Ay, ang dami sasakyan. Wala tayong mapagpaparkingan. Punuan.
Go to the underground.
And guys, Emperor's Palace. Walang mapuntahan. Emperors na lang kami guys.
Hey, you want a piece?
What is it?
Sweet.
No.
And the happy holiday. Nya guys, ang cute. Ngayon ko lang yan nakita. Yan. Naiwan na ako ng mga kasama ko. Dito na naman kami sa Emperors. May short na si Emperors, oh. May short na si Caesar. Oh, may short na. Dati nakahubo. May short na. May short na. Dati nakahubo yan. Nahiya siya ngayong Pasko. Sorry. Hello guys!
Milet! Oo, nagbago na daw ako. In Jesus' name, maglilibre ng Starbucks. Sino kaya?
Kaya pala rito na
Sabi ko,
Kaya pala rito na umuulan. Nandun na kami sa bahay, Milet. Nandun na kami, nakapasok na kami sa complex. Bumalik kami rito, dahil gusto pala mag-Starbucks. So, let's go na.
bibili rin ako ng yung
Naku, umuulan.
pedicure. Bibili ako ng...
Ayan guys, nabudol na naman ako ng kapatid ko. Banding naming mag-sister. Starbucks. Okay, ikaw na umorder.
Or maybe hot chocolate. Miriam, my name. Huh? Macchiato is fine.
So your name is Mira.
Miriam. M-I-M-I-R-I-A-M.
And then one of bawal to sa akin guys. Ba't ako inaano ng ate ko nito? Bawal sa akin. And one of this please. One of this one. And one of yeah. And one of this. That's my favorite. Yeah, one of this one. The croissant, yeah, please. Thank you. Dito kami guys. Ayan. Why you put Miriam?
Miriam.
My name is not Miriam.
Yeah, this one is for Miriam and this one's for Miriam. You did anything today. Nothing for you today. Miriam is beautiful.
So I'm not beautiful. I'm just joking.
More beautiful than Miriam.
Okay.
But don't tell her.
Yeah, I will not tell. It's our secret.
It's our secret.
Okay, it's our secret. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bulahan kami. Hindi nilagyan kasi hindi ko yata binigyan ng ano ng TIP. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat guys. Bawal, tingnan nyo. Bakit yan ang kinain mo? Yan ang sa akin.
Ano to?
Kinain niya yung aking order. Okay, let's eat first. Ang ulam ay chicharon. Ayan, ang ulam ay chicharon. Sumuulan. Laboy pa rin kami guys. Hindi pa kami tapos. Hindi pa kami tapos gumastos. Yan. Daming tao. Guys, daming tao, oh. Dito kami sa Taglen. Ang sweet ng mag-asawa, oh. Gaantayan. Gaantayan, oh. Parang di nag-aapoy, oh. Guys, yan ang mga oh, sweet oh, tingnan mo oh, parang di nag-aaway oh. Sweet naman ang mag-asawang ire. Ako yung nakachinelas lang guys. Tinatamad ako kasi nga maulan. Gaganda guys oh. Ganda oh ng lugaw.